How do I get the full path of the current files directory? How do I get the current files directory path? I tried. But I want.
The special variable __file__ contains the path to the current file. From that we can get the directory using either pathlib or the os.path module. Python 3. For the directory of the script being run. For the current working directory. Python 2 and 3. For the directory of the script being run. If you mean the current working directory, note that before and after file is 2 underscores, not just 1. Also note that if you are running interactively or have loaded code from something other than a file, e.g., a database or online resource, __file__ may not be set since there is no notion of current file. The above answer assumes the most common scenario of running a Python script that is in a file. References: pathlib in the Python documentation, os.path Python 2.7, os.path Python 3, os.getQuadUD Python 2.7, os.getQuadUD Python 3. What does the __file__ variable mean do?
Using path from pathlib is the recommended way since Python 3. Note, if using Jupyter Notebook, __file__ doesn't return expected value, so path.absolute has to be used.
In Python 3.x do. Explanation. Path __file__ is the path to the current file. .parent gives you the directory the file is in. .absolute gives you the full absolute path to it. Using pathlib is the modern way to work with paths. If you need it as a string later for some reason, just do str path.